Hi guys, my name is Harry Adeni from 3 Point Auto Tech Workshop. Here they call me the Auto Doctor. Yeah, of course. Today we have a Hyundai Santa Fe 2015 in the workshop at the 3 Point Auto Tech Workshop. Yeah, so that's what we're working on. Yeah, the customer's complaint is the AC. Cause a lot of vibration to the engine. There's so many noise from the engine area. The fan belt cuts almost all the time. The customer already took the vehicle to a different garage who worked on it before and then changed the compressor. Do you know what happened? They changed the compressor from the original factory installed compressor, which is automatic, that's being controlled by the engine control module. That's the brain box that controls the performance and also checking the load of the compressor so that it will not affect the engine. So, this is the compressor here. Okay, this is the factory installed compressor, and this is the new one that was installed. Okay, but if you look at it now, there's a little difference. Okay, right, to this one. All right. So, and also most of the time when they want to do that, they try to do some conversion. You can look at the inlet, the outlet, the inlet and the outlet here now. They have different shape. So, like they all